close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.
Greeting from Sara Matriculation Higher Secondary School, Tirthiraipundi. I am Nithilan.
I am Jayabalan.
I am Steve Vishnu.
We are studying 7th standard.
A trashman who wants to take a garbage, he faces a problem that he is not able to gather it because he was difficulty in separation of garbage as biodegradable and non-biodegradable things. This makes me feel uncomfortable and bad.
To avoid this problem, we discovered the reverse vending machine to be the waste management at shopping centers, schools, and other public areas where there is a lot of trash.
RVM is the device that holds token or gift within depending on the weight of the trash. It delivers as a present or icon.
In this project, we are using Arduino Uno, motor driver, BO motor, weight sensor, ultrasonic sensor. Ultrasonic sensor used to detect the object, and weight sensor used to detect the weight of trash. When trash above 10 kg, it will be give some token or gift.
We already know that a vending machine. In vending machine, we must insert money into the machine in order to provide a product. However, with the reverse vending machine, we have to place our waste and it will give gift or token.
Let's see the output. We put some trash into it and it gives chocolate.
By using RVM, we may profit from waste while making it convenient for the trashman to pick up a trash. Our civilization is become much more hygienic and clean.
Thank you.